So, I mean, as far as design, this property is quite easy, actually. I would say, if you want to get into growing greens, you're going to need to have a place to do all your packing.
Right.
So you need to build a shop, basically. Is there like a
Right.
garage on this property already,
There is
or
a garage attached to the house.
and would you want to use that for that?
Temporarily, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Temporarily, that's great. I mean, there's another kind of driveway that you're, oh wait, sorry, I'm not sharing my screen. Let me share my screen. Where's that thing here? Oops. Portion of the screen. Okay, let's share. Yeah, there we go. You can see that?
Yep.
So there is the driveway kind of veers off here,
That's
right?
right.
It kind of
That's
comes
right.
behind the house.
That's right. That's where the garage is. Yeah.
Oh, so that's fantastic. So in the meantime, it's super easy because
Yeah.
you got access there. You can use that garage.
Right.
If at a later date you wanted to build a bigger pack house,
Right.
that's an easy decision too, because it's just
Yeah.
like, boom, build that
I
right
like
here.
the C-can idea you had there.
Absolutely, super easy.
And
That's like the best place for your pack house, or
yeah.
in that vicinity. You might have to cut down one or two of those trees.
Those trees are gone, actually. Well, the
Okay,
one next to the house is gone.
perfect. So there's your pack house. That's simple. And then if I were you, I would, if you don't mind looking out your window and seeing greenhouses, the easiest thing to do is put greenhouses right out there so that in the wintertime, because where the money is with greens is in the winter.
Right.
It
Yeah.
really is, because that's when supply is low but demand is high.
Right.
So really leveraging a greens operation is all about looking at the two colder seasons,
Right.
or kind of like the shoulder winter and then the shoulder of the spring. And of course you can have production in the summer, but what
Right.
you might find, and actually I talked to another one of these open consults with a woman named Chelsea, and similar situation. She was looking to really provide a lot of tomatoes. And so a greens operation, if you're looking at, say, call it a quarter acre or half acre of production, mostly greenhouses, lends itself really well to doing greens in the cold season and tomatoes in the summer season.
Right. Right. True. Yeah.
Because even in the Kootenays, most growers there, I know a lot of growers in the area, most growers don't even have product until like June at the earliest.
Right.
There's just not a ton of greenhouse growers. Yeah, everybody's got a market garden. In the summertime, everybody's got tomatoes. But
Exactly.
if you're first to market and last with tomatoes too, you can really do well there. So I'm just thinking, like, here, what's this? Oops, why is this not working? Clear. I'm just seeing what our span is here. Okay, yeah. So really we could do probably 50-foot tunnels. That way we have lots of access on either side. And so, kind of putting, for some reason, Google Earth, when you're measuring a polygon, it measures the double. So that's 50 feet.
Right.
And so then, there's a high tunnel.
Right.
And this is what I would do is I would just put in tunnels and really look at your operation as mostly greenhouses. Like, that's going to be the most bang for your buck, 12 feet apart. So if they're 12 feet apart, that's good. And really just go boom, put a few tunnels in there. You can start small. You could start with one or two.
Yeah.
And then add them as you go, and work your way down. You really have good access here, a good sunlight here. Of course, the closer you get to this tree line, the worse. Yeah. But the really kind of serendipitous thing here is that this opens up to the southeast.
Right.
And so the southeast is ideal. Morning light is the most important light. So two tunnels there, even though you've got some trees there, these are going to have full exposure.
Yeah.
So that would be totally fine. And then of course you've got area up here too. You've got it's a really ideal lot you've got here for doing this kind of thing. What was the total acreage? What's of this again?
The total acre